You guys need some freaking love. You guys need some adoration. You guys need some credibility for working as hard as you're working. Grab your phone. If you've got your phone nearby, I'll do one of these. Take a picture of your screen, post it on my IG is at Easton University. I'll repost your stuff. Get some love going your way. Tag me in your story on Instagram and I'll repost it. All right. So get your phones ready. Get your phones ready. We're going to take a picture. How should I be? Should I be like this? Should I be like this? I'll just start like, boom, boom. Tag me. I'll tag you guys. We'll get you guys some love for all the hard work that you're doing because I think we're going to diverge here coming up into two different groups, you know, top performers and whiners and criers. We won't get into that too much. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.